If you're offered a seat on a rocket ship, don't ask which one, just get on, said Sheryl Sandberg. So, here's your great opportunity to launch your app, and here's an invitation to you. If you're serious, if you've had fun during these 12 weeks putting this app together, you like the process so much that you want to keep continuing this EAST, empathize, analyze, solve, and test, many times over till your product, your app gets mature and you're very confident about it, that you and your compatriots are thinking about starting something around it. Or if you're already in a startup, you're thinking, how can I take this forward? How can I move this forward? Here's your great opportunity. We are offering a seat on the rocket ship. We're going to give you an open invitation to you so that if you are passionate about, you and your teammates are passionate about this idea and you want to take it far ahead, we are there to help. At IIT Madras, we have a great startup ecosystem that will help you move this idea forward. Even if you are inside a company and you need help also, feel free to reach out. But we are a bit more partial towards startups. So keep that in mind, and we are there to help you all along through this journey. This journey is long and arduous and takes a lot of people put together to realize your dream. But you can certainly get to the next star if you keep continuing on this journey. So all the best, putting these thoughts together, this your passion together, and reach out to us, and we'll help you at every step of your way. We will be your every stage of your rocket ship, okay, to complete the metaphor. So all the best and see you soon. We hope to collaborate with you and make your journey much, much smoother.